want to look at how chemistry is an important subject when looking at new solutions and how to decarbonise our energy system. Now, my background isn't actually in chemistry, it's in physics and engineering, but I have learned a lot of chemistry on the job. And that's because of the work that I've been doing in hydrogen. Now, hydrogen is set to be a solution to many issues with decarbonising energy. It can be stored for a long time in periods when there might not be enough wind or solar. And then it can be burned as a fuel in cars or to heat our homes or to make electricity in those kind of non-windy or sunny times. But most importantly, it can be produced using water and clean energy such as renewable energy. And this is called green hydrogen. Now, this process, electrolysis, is all about chemistry. So very quickly, I'm going to show you on the screen how that works. So the hydrogen process works like this. Imagine you have just water here. So water is H2O. That is two hydrogen atoms bonded with O, an oxygen atom. Now these are covalent bonds, which means that they share electrons. Now the water, two water molecules will react with the anode in a way where the oxygen gets removed from the hydrogen and you bond with each other to make O2, and that sort of attaches to the anode side, while the hydrogen ions that are left without any electrons are essentially at this point protons. So they are attracted to the negative side here and move towards the cathode. Now these hydrogen ions then react with excess electrons in the system and bond together to make H2 or hydrogen. So this can be done using any electricity source, a battery, or for example, connected to a wind turbine when there's lots of wind, and that hydrogen can then be captured and stored to help decarbonise the whole energy system. So that's it. Hydrogen is a really important subject that's going to be becoming even bigger as we get into areas where we're having even more electricity. It's a really interesting part of my job, and it all comes down to chemistry. So thank you for listening, and I hope you have a great science week. Bye.